Up to bank holiday over the weekend. Weekend bank holiday is coming up. Monday is bank holiday. Yeah, it's beautiful, fantastic, and amazing one from Chef Ricardo cooking. All right, yeah, man. So if you like what I'm doing, yeah, please share the video and a friend tell a friend. All right, we got 11 person liking the video, 31 people watching. Come on, guys, like up the video and share up the video. It's late, you know what I mean? We should be sleeping. All right. Now, as I said, I'm gonna be doing this tea. Hopefully, you guys will like it. This is part 2 of the same tea which we did the other day, and a lot of people did like it. All right. Yeah. So what we're gonna do is to show you how to make this an amazing tea tonight. Trust me, it's gonna be fantastic and an amazing recipe from Chef Ricardo Cooking. Let's get things together right now. No time to muck about. Hopefully you guys can hear me, because you know what I mean, I don't want to disturb anyone in that morning. Alright. What I want to simply say to you guys, alright? This recipe, I will be using some dry sorrel, alright? You know you can get dry sorrel to buy in the supermarket or your local shop, alright? Guys, when the sorrel is dry, it is stronger and powerful, alright? So basically for you to make this, you don't need a whole heap of sorrel, alright? So what I'm going to do, I'm going to show you exactly how to make this fantastic and an amazing sorrel juice, for sorrel tea right here. Before you go to your bed, you can drink it. And remember, sorrel is not only for Christmas. You know what I mean? When I was growing up, my grandparents used to make sorrel juice every Christmas, and we will have it on a Sunday morning. All right, beautiful Sunday morning. But now a lot of people have been recognizing that sorrel is very good for detoxing of your body. You can do your own research, and trust me, sorrel been used over the last 300 to 400,000 years, where a lot of people doesn't know. All right, the secret behind sorrel, you have to drink it like this. All right, now this is my own recipe which I'm giving you tonight, and I'm saying, trust me, you guys will love it. All right, this is my own recipe. Trust me, this recipe is a magic recipe for you guys. Now, you want to get some cloves. Cloves and the sorrel and ginger works really well. Do not put any white rum in it. All right, we're gonna put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 cloves inside of it. You can get cloves to buy in the local shop or your supermarket. All right, go to your supermarket, or your supermarket, you can get this little seed right here to buy. Beautiful. All right, let's put this one side. A quick shout out to the Caribbean Fusion Sauce and Spice website. Please check out the Caribbean Fusion Sauce and Spice website. This is one of the drink right here. This is a very important tea for you. Even this one got cloves in it also. Look, all right, got raspberry, got a lot of stuff inside of it. All right, please check out the Caribbean Fusion Sauce and Spice website and support them. All right, beautiful one. Let's put this aside. All right, now what we're going to do, we're going to put a little bit of the dry sorrel into this right here, roughly about 3 tablespoons. All right, just be careful of these one, because you don't want to put these one in it. This one I have them all. All right, just be careful. So please check it before you use it. All right, so we're gonna put roughly about 3 tablespoons in it. Beautiful one for you to drink at home. Don't wait till Christmas. All right, we got roughly 6 months to go before Christmas. Please get your black rum fruit cake to start soak, because this year Chef Ricardo gonna make one of the most beautiful cake in the world. All right, Beautiful one, guys. Now, what we're going to do, we're going to pour some hot water into the jug with the sorrel, just like this, and the cloves. Alright. Once you do that, get a piece of cling film and cover it. Alright, beautiful. Once you cover it, you want to leave it for a couple of minutes for the cloves and the sorrel combine together. Now, what I'm going to do, I'm going to get a nice lovely fat chunk of piece of a ginger right here, and I'm going to grate it. Okay, I'm going to grate this piece of ginger. The beautiful thing, I'm using a grater. Alright, my grandparents would be using this side of the grater, but she would never use this one. She'd be using the old style grater, the grater, or you know what I mean, anything she want to grate. But this side is very nice to use to grate your ginger. Okay. Nice one. All right. Now, I'm going to be using a tablespoon to measure out the ginger. So what you want to do, remove the cling film, just a little piece side. All right, then what you want to do is get 1, 2 tablespoons of ginger right here. All right, beautiful. All right, nice one. You want to give this a lovely mix. Once you mix it, you cover it back for a few more minutes. Make sure you seal it good. All right. Now, the only thing I can say to you guys, okay, the only thing I can say to you is for you to give it a try. If you don't try, you don't know how it works and what's the benefit from it. Okay. Now, sorrel, we all know that sorrel been using for many years. Okay, but I want to tell you this, guys, to be honest with you, all of these natural ingredients do works. All right, if you try it at home for yourself and it may not work for you, it may work for someone else, because all of us body are different. Okay, But I want to tell you something. Please give this sour drink a try, okay? You can drink it in the morning or at night before you go to your bed. Okay, guys? It's a beautiful recipe, and now you don't need to wait till Christmas for you to drink a detoxing sour drink. And the sour is very good for you. You got a lot of ginger, and the cloves is very good for you. All right, guys? So the only thing I want to say to you, if you got your smartphone or your computer, your laptop, you can do a little bit of research. What's the benefit of sorrel drink, or what's the benefit of ginger? Okay, some people will put a little bit of rum in it, but you don't put any rum because you don't want to kill it. All right, you want to get the natural from the ginger and the cloves and the sorrel. It is an amazing drink for you to try. All right. Okay, I didn't see that text. That text went through one on the first. Can I pull up back that text? Someone will say, okay, I may try it. Hopefully it takes less than 10 to 20 days to work because of the color in your word. Full effect, you can use it extra. Okay. All right. So someone is saying that, yeah, beautiful one. If you are doing it for weight loss, sorrel would not do much. No, sorrel would not do much for weight loss, but it's very good for you to detox in your body with sorrel, with the ginger. It's not for weight loss, it's just like for detoxing your body. It won't be doing, but the ginger in it is very effective, and also the cloves in it is very good. So I put cloves in it. Cloves is very good. Cloves have a lot of antiseptic. So guys, you can do your own little bit of research and the benefit. All right. Also really good for upset stomach. Yes, for real. Yes, for real. Yeah. Yeah, I definitely know that one because sorrel, I saw that one in the list. But as I said, the sorrel, it do have a lot of health benefit. All right. But anyway, thank you so much for that one. It's really appreciated because a lot of people doesn't know that the sorrel do have a little bit of benefit. All right. But as I say, any one of you guys can do your own research. All right. It's a beautiful drink, and I will encourage you to give it a try. All right. Now the thing I want to say, what I'm going to do is run it through my strainer right here. Alright, beautiful one. And you can also drink it in the morning. Beautiful, look at that. That is fantastic and amazing, and it's thick. Alright, look at that, lovely and so nice. Wow, that's exactly what I'm talking about. Beautiful one. And it still have a little bit more in it also. That is lovely. That is fantastic and amazing. All right, so right here, what I want to do is pour up this beautiful sorrel drink, because we all know that the sorrel will splash all over the whole place and mess up the whole place. Beautiful one right here. But if not, what you want to do, you can also check out the Caribbean Fusion sauce and spice seed right here. They got their own tea, which you can also try this one. Very, very good. All right, can do a teaspoon of this one also inside of this with some hot water. Beautiful. Yes, this one you can check it out on the Caribbean Fusion sauce and spice website. All right, beautiful. Nice one. Now, the same cloves right here, what you can also do, you can get, just to show you, I'm just using this glass one to show you. All right, can get a few cloves and put it inside of it, just like this. Pour some hot water. All right, get yourself a lemon or a lime. Simple. Put it straight inside of it and squeeze half of a lime juice inside of it, just like this. Beautiful. All right, look at that, beautiful one, guys. All right, let's squeeze a little bit more of this inside of it. Now this one, very nice to drink before you go to your bed at night. All right, guys, I just did it in the glass for you guys to see exactly how it look. Okay, you can drink this one before you go to your bed. All right, this is the sour juice right here, sour tea right here. This one is from the Caribbean Fusion Sauce and Spice website. Very nice for you guys to try out this one also. All right, yeah, beautiful. But as I said, guys, this is just another tips and ideas for you. If you want to try something at home, then this come in really handy for you to try this at home. All right, it's a beautiful recipe, fantastic and amazing. I would say please give it a try and give it a go, and you know, subscribe to the YouTube channel, leave your comments in the description box. We've got a lot more recipe coming and a lot more ideas. As I say, it's just a quick minute video to show you how you can make a healthy drink before you go to your bed at night. Also, you can drink it in the morning also. All right, thank you so much for watching. It's a little bit late, I don't want to hold up anyone time, but I really appreciate it for you guys to watch this on an amazing video. We will be coming with some more healthy recipes and healthy lifestyle for you to make at home. All right, drink before you go to your bed, and as I said, we will be coming with a lot more healthy recipes for you. All right, respect and thank you so much, guys, and stay tuned in, share. As I said, we will definitely share more healthy recipe with you.